Media narratives significantly shape public perception of John Deere, influencing consumer trust and guiding future business decisions. This dynamic impact can ultimately affect the company's market position. The growing emphasis on sustainability in agriculture compels both large and small companies to reevaluate their strategies. Some industry leaders advocate for substantial shifts, while others voice apprehensions about the associated costs. Investors keep a close watch on John Deere's sustainability initiatives. The leadership faces the challenge of balancing immediate shareholder demands with long-term eco-friendly objectives to secure profitability. Leadership decisions hold significant weight in shaping company culture, directly impacting employee anxiety and morale during strategic transitions. Thus, effective communication is vital to alleviating uncertainties. The tension between traditional farming practices and the company's pivot towards green technology underscores broader political and cultural divides within society. This scenario illustrates how consumer beliefs can shape industry trends. To adapt to changing market demands, engaging with stakeholders, including farmers and industry experts, becomes critical for John Deere. This strategy aligns innovation with customer expectations while reinforcing trust. Internal discussions at John Deere revealed the necessity of aligning with stakeholder expectations. Balancing innovation and tradition amid external pressures is essential for the company's long-term viability. The leadership understands that successfully navigating these changes requires more than merely introducing new products. It demands a cultural transformation that honors their legacy while embracing future innovations. In an effort to restore trust amidst controversies surrounding sustainable technologies, John Deere emphasizes enhancing customer support and encouraging open dialogue through community forums and dedicated assistance channels. The company focuses on sharing performance data and case studies to instill confidence in their sustainable practices and technological advancements. This level of transparency is crucial for fostering strong customer relationships. John Deere significantly invests in corporate social responsibility programs, prioritizing community development and environmental conservation. This alignment with customer values aims to strengthen brand loyalty. Research and development partnerships propel John Deere's journey into electric and autonomous technologies, establishing ambitious sustainability targets that reflect the company's commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship. John Deere's dedication to understanding farmers' unique challenges enhances brand loyalty while promoting sustainable practices that resonate with customers' values and economic realities. The company's empathetic approach influences product development and community support, solidifying its image as a caring and reliable partner for farmers. Future strategies for John Deere prioritize collaboration and clear communication. These elements are crucial to maintaining relevance and leadership in the face of evolving agricultural demands. The inclusive strategy of engaging diverse stakeholders has fortified relationships and cultivated a sense of shared purpose within the agricultural sector. This collaborative spirit is vital for sustainable progress. Investment in research and development remains critical for John Deere as the company explores new technologies and sustainable practices, positioning itself at the forefront of the agricultural machinery industry. Innovations such as self-driving equipment and renewable energy-powered machinery promise to revolutionize farming practices, enhancing productivity while minimizing environmental impact.